Daily Reading Habits by Warren Buffett. Buffett, nag-spend siya ng 6 hours a day. Imagine, hindi lang novels or business books, kundi annual reports, newspaper, at market analysis. Sabi mismo ni Buffett, read 500 pages like this every day. That's how knowledge works. It builds up like compound interest. Kaya kahit 95 years old na siya, sharp pa rin ang business instinct niya. While most of the people now, it's like they are just waiting to die. Can you relate to that? Trade scrolling for studying. It clearly shows that the more you learn, the more you earn. A few pages a day builds a lifetime of wisdom. I'm curious, what's one book that really changed how you see success or life? Share it in the comments below. Baka yun din ang kailangan mong marinig ng iba.